Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recalibrate your Whirlpool washer. Anytime you replace the motor, the splutch, the actuator, anything like that, your control board, anything like that, you should recalibrate your washer. And it's easy to do. One click left, 1, 2, 3 right, 1 left, 1 right. All your lights will come up. Turn your dial until it's just the rinse is lit up. Hit start and walk away. Just let it do its thing. It'll recalibrate all the motor, splutch, actuator, everything will calibrate to the computer, and you will be back in business. All your timing will be right. Like I say, don't touch nothing, just let it go. When it's done, it'll completely shut down. You can turn, start your wash, you'll be good to go. Hope that helps. Y'all take care.